It's a typical service call on an otherwise ordinary day. The dispatcher tells you the customer's car won't start. You arrive on the scene and assess the situation. Your customer tells you she left the lights on and now her car won't start. After thorough testing, the diagnosis is a dead battery. The battery tester indicates this battery is no longer serviceable and needs to be replaced with a fresh one. Accidents do happen, and even the most careful battery serviceman is bound to mishandle a battery from time to time. Now is that time. You wish you had a rewind button right about now, but a Rescue 2-gallon acid spill kit will suffice. The Rescue 2-gallon acid spill kit includes safety goggles and nitrile gloves, along with a broom and dustpan to pick up the absorbent. With the battery carrier provided, carefully place damaged battery into the poly bag provided with the spill kit. You may opt to place the damaged battery into the yellow spill kit box for additional containment during transport. Next, spread the absorber and neutralizer on the spill area. The absorber will change to a light red color when acid is detected. After all acid has been absorbed and neutralized, use brush and pan provided to pick up material and place in bag. Tie up bag securely and dispose according to local municipality regulations. Be sure to replenish components and kit regularly. With Rescue Acid Spill products, you'll always be prepared for the unexpected. For more videos on Rescue Spill products, visit quickhowto.com.